guys, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoyed part 1, you're going to love this one. Today, we're continuing our Museum of the Future adventure. Are you ready? Let's go!
Within this area, and they also have the power to clean the toxins within the atmosphere. So these experimental species are made by combining the DNAs of organisms of all kinds.
So here
Wow.
we have 2,400 different genetic codes of species collected from various parts of the world. The animals and the insects, you'll find them to the left. Also, in order to enhance the experience, we will this approach the citizen scientists on the floor to get the biosensing devices.
Diba? Welcome to Waha. Hello.
To all Waha pioneers, you can
Okay.
start exploring here. This is our
Thank
movement
you.
area. You can walk in a second walk.
We can walk? Wow! Oh, tingnan muna, parang maano. Wow! Come to achieve harmony.
Alright, so hello pioneers and welcome to the connection therapy. So this is a group therapy to connect together by using our voices. As we see,
Okay.
there is a microphone in front of each and every one of you. Now on 3, I want you to lean down to the microphone and start saying like this. And you can move the clouds to the center. So in 3, 2, and 1. Lean down and start saying Come closer. Keep going. Perfect. Now stop humming and smell the microphone. Smell the scent. So the scent we're smelling right now, this is the scent of the tuberous flower. The tuberous flower is the same flower you saw when you entered the Waha. It's the national flower of UAE, and it's a symbol of being together. As you see, even though you're all different, you connected. This is how we live our future. More human connection and less technologies. So thank you so much for choosing to connect. You can now please exit from this side into our meditation center. This way to continue, please.
Thank you.
Thank you so much from this side, please.
Wow, ano to? So exciting. Okay, let's go. Guys, siga tayo. Tingnan natin ang feeling.
Sige.
Please make a wish. Salamat. For the future. Oo nga. Wow.
My name is Anka. How can I assist you today?
What's the weather? What's the weather today? Sabihin mo.
क्या आप कुछ और जानना चाहेंगे? How are you today?
It's not talking. Oh, hi. Hey.
I'm here and ready to chat. How can I assist you?
Can you tell about the future?
Good afternoon. Wow.
Ready? Nicholas, come.
Me.
And that's the end of our Museum of the Future adventure. We hope you enjoyed exploring this amazing place with us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next vlog. Bye!